Okay, geometry. A first problem in this formative assessment is a reflection over the y-axis. So if we have a point and we're reflecting it over the y-axis, the x-coordinate, the sign is going to change, but the y-coordinate will remain exactly the same. So the original point is at 2, 4. The x-coordinate is going to change sign and become -2, and the y-coordinate will still remain at 4. And we're going to continue doing that. So this would be -3, 1, and this would be 0, 2, because 0 is 0. The second problem is a translation where we have to subtract 2 from every x-coordinate and subtract 3 from every y-coordinate. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. Next ordered pair is at 4, -1. So 4 minus 2 is 2. -1 minus 3 is -4. And then 0 minus 2 is -2. And 3 minus 3 is 0. And that is it. Peace out.